How to open a TD Bank account online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to open a TD Bank account without visiting a branch, well here is how to do it online in just a few simple steps. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside the web browser, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for TD Bank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the TD Bank. Now here, once you see the interface like this, from the home page, you simply have to click on the option labeled as login, and after that, you simply have to select online banking from the drop down menu. And now, here, once you do that, you'll be prompted to the login screen. Now, here, once you see the interface like this, on the left hand side, you can see the option labeled as sign up for online banking. So, simply click on that. And here, once you click on that, a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply select which type of account that you want to create. So here I'm going to simply select personal account, and after that I'm going to simply check this box. And here once you're done with that, you can simply click on continue. And here after agreeing to the terms and conditions, you can simply tap on accept, and here once you do that, on the next page you need to enter your personal information and your personal account information. So there, simply enter your first name, email, and your last name, and with that you also have to choose the account type like ATM card number, social security number, account number, and here you need to enter or create a username and password. So here you can simply set up your password by creating your username, your password, and here once you're done with all that, you just have to click on continue. And here once you do that, it's time to fund your account. So here you can transfer money from another bank or use your debit card to make the first deposit. So double check all the information you entered, and once everything looks good, you can just click on submit application, and after that you'll get a confirmation message and possibly an email with your new account details. TD Bank might contact you if they need anything else. And before you go, don't forget to enroll in TD Online Banking so you can manage your account, pay bills, and much more all online. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.